Hi everyone, in this video I'll be discussing why I'm putting my factory radio back in my C5 Corvette. Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about building a kit car, Corvettes, and other car topics. If you like what you see, please subscribe and hit the notification buttons below, and share with others on social media. If you saw my other video, the subwoofers do not work in my C5 Corvette, which I'll have the links below. This car came with an aftermarket radio, but it was not triggering the subwoofers, which have their own amps in a C5. I tested the factory stereo and the subs were working fine, and I have the proper stereo adapter to go from an aftermarket to the powered subs. So I tried some things and spent some more time investigating in between these videos, and I have one more wire to try. Wait for it. Wait for it. Chintzy. Okay, let's just replace the factory stereo and make it all original. So I put a towel over the shifter to not tear it up and remove the aftermarket harness and put everything back. You need to connect the antenna and 1 or 2 wire harnesses. 2 screws, and then just check the alignment with the radio bezel. Who uses their stereo in this car anyways? All you want to do is just listen to the engine. Till next time, please hit the subscribe and notification buttons, and have a great day.